Now, all this comes as some local schools in the yellow cluster zone raise serious concerns about COVID testing requirements and whether they can meet that mark. Our Jeff Preval has been looking into this for us today and what Governor Andrew Cuomo is saying about who will provide COVID tests.
And we're hearing from local schools that are digging into the logistics on how to test 20% of students and staff on a weekly basis, while other districts, they're looking ahead as COVID cases rise. One school district that has deep concerns about the testing mandate is Kenton Schools. The district superintendent says it would need to do 860 tests per week to reach the state's testing mandate, and there are a number of logistical issues the superintendent talked about in a virtual school board meeting last night, such as getting the test, cost, and getting parental consent. If students refuse to get a COVID test, they will have to do virtual learning.
We don't have the capacity just in staffing alone to be able to grow our virtual learning academy at the elementary level. Folks, we've worked around the clock since July to keep that virtual learning model up and running.
Eden schools, which are not in the yellow cluster, want to hear from parents through an online survey on whether they would allow their kids to be tested if Eden is put into a yellow cluster. North Tonawanda schools, which are also not in the cluster zone, they are asking parents to plan ahead, prepare for virtual learning, and have plans for childcare. Now, according to a spokesperson with the Erie County Health Department, the state will provide nasal swab rapid tests to schools. In a conference call with reporters today, Governor Cuomo was asked about providing schools in Syracuse with COVID tests. He said that the state would provide whatever is required. Erie County, however, was not mentioned. In Buffalo, I'm Jeff Preval, Channel 2 News.